In the 17th lecture of probability theory, we started the 4th chapter of this module, the one dealing with reliability theory. This chapter is very short, having only 2 lectures. Firstly, we define the reliability function of a unit of some kind, called RT. This is nothing but the probability that the lifetime of such unit, a continuous random variable named capital L, is greater than t. We have then shown that the expected lifetime of the unit can be computed as the integral from 0 to infinity of the reliability function. Later, we have started analyzing the reliability of a system composed by different distinct units. Specifically here, we have considered a system where different distinct n units are arranged in series. By introducing a discrete random variable xi, called indicator of the ith unit, we have shown that the reliability of this unit is the expectation of its indicator. Given this property, and calling the indicator of the entire system x, we have shown that x is simply the product of all the units indicator. Hence, leading to the results that for a system where different distinct n units are arranged in series, then the reliability of the system is nothing but the product of the reliabilities of its unit.